Alright, so I've got this hole that I started right here. And the deeper I dig, the louder the signal gets. So far I've just been digging up a lot of trash, so this could be more trash. It's in this riverbed. And I've seen, as I've hiked around here, places where people have been digging. So we'll see. I'll let you know what I find here in this hole. But it's giving me a strong signal. But who knows? We'll see. There's the hole I dug. And this is what I found. Looks like some old nails. So, oh well, it was kind of fun getting that signal and doing a little digging. We'll see what else I can find. I've got to say that, you know, even if you don't find gold, which it might take quite a while, you are rewarded with just being out here in this beautiful, beautiful place, beautiful scenery, beautiful environment. After a while, you start to notice all the birds and the insects and just how peaceful it is. Well, another hole, more trash. I think that's some lead or something from a bullet. But I do want to say these knee pads that I've got are awesome. They have a hard shell and then padding on the inside on the bottom part down where your knee is on the ground. And they're just great on these rocks and any, you know, if you're older like me and you've got old knees, something like this is really awesome. I got them online. I'll put a link in the comment section in case anybody's interested. They're kind of, they've got a pivot point and they fasten on the sides with these buckles that you can adjust. And kind of look like something you'd see on the riots, but they work great. Real good at protecting your knees and comfortable. So I'll put a link in the comment section. So another strong signal, not far from where I just dug up that lead. So it could be just more fragments from a bullet. But I'm going to dig it up just to see. Alright, I didn't have to dig too deep. I just pulled a rock away and I could see broken glass. And this label from a beer bottle is what's setting it off. It's kind of a metallic label, so didn't have to do a lot of work to find this piece of trash. I'm getting a signal right in this area. Let me see if I So right about here is where I'm going to start digging. Just cleared away some of the pine needles, so we'll see what's in there. Well, it was more bullet fragments. So I'm guessing this hillside somebody was doing a little shooting. And I'm probably going to dig up a few more pieces of trash before I find anything good. Well, today, no gold, but a little bit of trash. Kind of an orangish hot rock. A lot of shell casings, or lead, I guess I should say, not casings. And a nasty ant bite on the inside of my thigh. Whew, boy, that stung. But anyway, it was fun. Just learning the machine still, the Mind Lab. And using these pads that I ordered that work great. And just kind of having fun out here. A lot of people out here hiking, as you can see from all the vehicles. There's also a search and rescue, some sort of trial hike going on for new recruits. They left earlier. I think they were going for about a 5-mile hike. But gorgeous day. Beautiful, beautiful forest. So, no gold, but I can't complain.